You may proceed.
Only if you start a puppy mill.
No.
Start a puppy mill.
This is why I was banned from showing videos in Inanimate Club.
Wait, what?
I showed this video in Animate Club and they wouldn't let me show videos ever again.
Why?
Because they said I scarred little children with it.
I've never seen it before.
No.
Is it worse than the Yatta video?
Oh, God. Ow. Ow, make him stop.
That was Kevin. Say hi to Diane.
No. No. Not sexy, not sexy.
Oh, someone puts it in, yeah.
Oh. Oh, my arm hurts.
Alright, so everybody pay me $4, I'll take care of everything else.
You know what I call that?
Actually, it's ship change.
I have $20. I have a 20 as well. My brother might have change. Where? Oh.
Are we giving money now?
Soon, since Gabe Meister has to be raped and then sent home in a box.
You wish you could do that.
And,
Oh, God.